Hey everybody, hopefully you're having a good day today. This is WireDogZach back with another video for you guys. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment below your thoughts and opinions on the information shared in the video, on the video itself, etc., etc. You know, all that good stuff. Helps out the channel, helps out the video, and let's get to it. This video is going to be just a short video over password cracking. I am currently taking the Python 101 for Hackers course provided by TCM Security. I'm enjoying the course so far. Now, I am not a script programmer or developer or anything like that. I am taking this course to deepen my knowledge and skill set in Python. I do know Python at a basic level, but it's been a while since I've messed around with it, and this course has helped me quite a bit. I'm just trying to follow along and edit the material as I see fit. Anyway, there's a section in the course where you go over, password cracking and stuff. So this script is just a basic password cracking script. It is comparing a SHA-256 hash from a password, and it's basically going to compare that hash against other passwords in a word list that I'm using. It's going to convert that word list passwords into a SHA-256 hash, and if it matches this hash here, it's going to tell me the clear text password and all that. So let's get down to it. And there we have it, folks. It cracked that password pretty darn quick. I mean, he even shows you, I edited a little bit just so it matches the hash there. And cracked password here is devilish. It's clear text password, bam. And this is why you need to make strong passwords, folks, because it's so easy to crack these simple passwords, especially if they've been compromised in a previous data breach or if they've just been added to a word list somewhere. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.